Hello guys, this is my first YouTube video. Today we are going to start with the Raspberry Pi 4 unboxing and review. It's the 8GB version and has a 32 gigs SD card with it. So let's start unboxing. So this is a kit. It has a lot of things in it. We have a micro HDMI cable to HDMI, the adapter of course with a USB-C connector, a little fan for the Raspberry Pi, some heat sinks, I don't know what the fuck this is, a transparent box, a 32 gigs micro SD card, and of course the Raspberry Pi 4 computer. Let's see what's inside. This is awesome. Look at this. Now we are going to build the box. So this is it. Let's build it. I don't understand how to do it. First you take the lower part and put the screws in it. Then you put the spacers on it. You put the Raspberry Pi on it. And then the little bolts. Then you put the side things on it, and then the front and rear panel. There is the front panel and the rear panel. This is it. Now we are going to stick the heat sinks on the elements. You take this little bag and open it. So the biggest heatsink goes onto the CPU. You take that little thing off, voila. Then you just stick it on it. Then the second one you stick over here. This is done. Then the third one you stick on this. And the last one you stick right here. Just like this. So when this is done, you can put the upper cover on it, but before we put it on, we need to install the little fan. You take this little bag. So then when you have this little cover, you turn it over like this. You put the fan with the text side down and screw it up like this. I forgot to say something actually. You really need a kit with heat sinks, because when it gets very hot it just can explode. It's not going to explode, but it can deal some damage to your computer. So mine is screwed up like this. Let's try to mount it on. For the Raspberry Pi 4 there is a very important pinout. Like you see, there is a 5V pin on pin 4 and a ground pin on pin 6. You need to attach the red side to pin 4 and the black side to the ground. You connect it just like this. And then we can attach the upper cover to the frame. So mine is set up. If you're wondering why is this gap here, this is when you want to install a Raspberry Pi camera, you can pass a flat cable through here to your camera. So let's look. This is a USB-C power connector. Those are two HDMI outputs. You can attach two 4K monitors to it. This is the output for your music boxes or music things for audio. Those are two USB 2 outputs, two USB 3 outputs and Ethernet connector. You can see here is space to put your micro SD card in. So we're going to do that with this card. And this card there is a 32 gigs small SD card. Let's open it. I have it right here. Don't worry, you cannot put it wrong in the connector. Let's look what is inside of here. Oh, this is a micro SD to USB adapter. That's handy. So here you go, this is the Raspberry Pi 4. So this is all we got. So that's it, let's connect it to the monitor.